Get ready for a revolution in foldable technology. Samsung is rumored to be working on a new version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and we've got the inside scoop. According to Tipsterice Universe, the slimmer variant will be called the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, and it's packed with exciting features. This new device is expected to boast improved cameras, larger screens, and a sleeker design. The cover screen will have a wider 19.5:9 aspect ratio, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and will measure 6.5 inches. The inner screen will be an impressive 8 inches, making them larger than the screens on the regular Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim is set to take the world of foldable phones by storm. With its enhanced features and sleek design, it's the perfect device for those who want to experience the future of technology today. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim is coming, and it's packed with exciting features that will take your breath away. For the first time in the Galaxy Z series, the Z Fold 6 Slim will feature a sleek and durable titanium frame. This premium material will not only make the device thinner and lighter, but also give it a luxurious feel that's unmatched in the industry. The Z Fold 6 Slim is expected to be a powerhouse of a device, with enhanced specifications that will make it a must-have for tech enthusiasts. And with its slim and lightweight design, you'll be able to take it with you wherever you go. The launch of the Z Fold 6 Slim is scheduled for the fourth quarter of this year, with an official announcement likely between October and December. But here's the catch: the device may have limited availability, possibly only in select countries like China and South Korea. In China, a variant called the W25 is expected to be released, but we'll have to wait and see if it will be available globally. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim is set to take the world of foldable phones by storm. With its cutting-edge features, sleek design, and premium materials, it's the perfect device for those who want to experience the future of technology today. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim is coming, but with some surprising twists. Let's dive in and explore what's new, what's missing, and what's got everyone talking. Rumors suggest that Samsung may have ditched the S Pen digitizer from the inner screen, which means the upcoming foldable phone might not support the S Pen stylus. But don't worry, this change could make the device thinner and lighter, making it a winner in our books. Speculations are rife about upgraded cameras, but details are scarce. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim boast improved camera capabilities? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure, the price of the phone is on everyone's mind. Will the slim version be more affordable than the flagship model? Or will it compromise on features? The answer remains a mystery, but we'll be keeping a close eye on developments. With conflicting opinions on the launch date and its absence from Galaxy Unpacked, a 2024 release seems unlikely. But we'll have to wait for official word from Samsung to confirm. So,